My name is Kevin Lee.
I'm Mark Lixie, and Michael Coe also helped on this project. This program is one that explains the economics of fisheries.
As you can see, this first part is a map that shows you fish populations if you click on a pointer. It will tell you the situation of each fish and how fisheries generally impact them. As you can see, once you click the button in the North Sea region, it shows you Atlantic cod and information about it. You have to make a block. Make a block that copies then you can click on the shark to go onto the game.
The way this game works is that fish pop up on the screen and swim around, and you get money for clicking on the fish, and they reproduce. There's 3 different seasons. And they reproduce in the next season based on how many fish were left in the previous season, and the dollar value you get for each fish you catch increases as you move to the next season. So you get $1 for fish caught in the first season, 2 caught for fish in the second season, and 3 for fish caught in the third season. So you have to work out the best strategy as to when to catch fish, because you make more money when you catch fish in the last season, but there might not be any left if you catch too many in the earlier seasons.
You could try that.
A good strategy is to leave some fish for the next season because they reproduce using the Fibonacci sequence.
So we start fishing by clicking on the fish, but I try to leave at least like 3 fish from the first season to the second season, so that there will be plenty of fish when the next season starts.
If you're doing just one word, then you need to have your map. The whole idea with doing it first with one word and then doing it with the sentence is that once you know how to do it with one word, then you can map it.
So again, we wanted to leave a couple fish because there's still one more season. But once we get into this last season, then I'm going to try to catch as many fish as I can because there's no more to carry over.
So that's the amount you earn, $15.
So this part of the program is a supply and demand model for fisheries with a backward bending supply curve that represents the amount of supply of fish. So we let you click around the screen to test out different equilibrium points.
By the way, if you don't click on an equilibrium point, it tells you it isn't one.
I remember at first when they it was super spread out, and not standing because I'm like, I can only see it before.
Okay, so we're gonna take this back. Thanks. Or should we unroll the outer one? Wait, a question. When we submit them, do we submit the video directly to eSpace or just like YouTube it? Is there eSpace? Well, I'm like, it's a one where we don't.
That is not an equilibrium point.
So now I'll try testing a different point, and I'll click over here. and you'll see that it tells me what the equilibrium price and quantity is because I found the equilibrium point. You'll also notice that this particular graph has more than one equilibrium point, so it gives you the opportunity to test multiple points.
You can also shift the demand curve to see how different levels of consumer demand changes the equilibrium points.
So for example, if we move the demand curve up here, the new equilibrium point is over here, where the price is higher and the quantity is actually lower. So yeah, this gives you a chance to test out different equilibrium points and to see how the demand affects the price and equilibrium quantity. So now the last part is the shark sprite explains what users can do to help mitigate the problem of overfishing.
Go to the following link to learn more about this issue.
All right. Thank you for watching our demo.
Thank you.